Ever wondered why microservices are essential in the fintech world? Let's break it down. Microservices are essentially a method of developing software systems that focuses on building single-function modules with well-defined interfaces and operations. In the realm of fintech, where rapid development and deployment are crucial, the modular approach of microservices plays a pivotal role. Imagine a large application as a puzzle, where each piece is a service. These pieces or services work independently but communicate effectively to form the complete picture. This allows developers to isolate faults, fix issues without disrupting the entire system, and scale up services as needed. But how does this translate into benefits for the fintech industry? Well, the answer lies in the demand for efficiency and customer service. With microservices, fintech companies can quickly adapt to changing market needs, deliver features faster, and provide seamless customer service. They can handle high volumes of transactions, ensure robust security, and provide a smooth user experience, all thanks to the flexibility and scalability of microservices. Now that we understand their importance, let's delve into what microservices actually are. So, what exactly are microservices? Well, imagine you're building a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece of the puzzle can be thought of as a microservice. It's a small, independent component, but when all the pieces are put together, they form the complete picture. This picture, in the realm of software development, is your application. Each microservice or puzzle piece has a specific task to perform within the larger application. The beauty of microservices lies in their independence, which is a stark contrast to the centralized nature of an enterprise service bus, or ESB. ESB functions as a middleware that ties together diverse applications, and it's designed to operate in a centralized manner. Imagine it as a big puzzle box containing all the pieces, whereas in microservices, each piece is its own entity, decentralized and autonomous. Now, back to microservices. Like puzzle pieces, each microservice contributes a small part of the overall image. But instead of physically touching as puzzle pieces do, they communicate through APIs or application programming interfaces. One key advantage of this decentralized system over a centralized ESB layout is flexibility. If one microservice isn't fitting quite right, you can replace or adjust it without having to dismantle the entire system, a process that can be more challenging in a tightly coupled ESB environment. This independence is also an advantage when it comes to security. Microservices can isolate different parts of an application, so if one part gets compromised, the remainder can stay secure. This granular approach to architecture is akin to service-oriented architecture, or SOA, but with many more smaller pieces. As for housing, microservices can be placed in containers or virtual machines. Think of these as the table where you lay out your puzzle pieces. They provide the environment for your microservices to operate. Now, how do all these pieces come together and interact? That's a whole other puzzle. Now, let's see how it all works in the fintech context. Microservices are like the secret sauce in your favorite dish, adding that special zing that makes fintech companies more agile, resilient, and scalable. Picture this: a fintech firm wants to introduce a new feature, like real-time transaction alerts. With a microservices architecture, they can create this service independently, test it, and roll it out quickly without disrupting the entire system. And what about when something goes wrong? In a traditional monolithic system, a single point of failure can bring down the entire application. But in a microservices world, if one service encounters a hiccup, it's isolated. This means less downtime and a more reliable service for the end user. But the magic doesn't stop there. Microservices can also scale up or down to meet customer demand. So when 1 million users decide to check their account balance at the same time, the balance checking service can scale up independently, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. These capabilities translate into real-world benefits for fintech companies and their customers. Faster feature rollouts can mean more innovative and responsive services, while fault isolation and scalability can lead to more reliable and efficient applications. As you can see, microservices play a crucial role in the fast-paced, customer-centric world of fintech.